Hi guys, so today we are going to solve some questions based on triangle properties. The first question says, in the figure, if Jm upon Mn is equal to 5 upon 9 and Mn is equal to 7, find Kl. Also, we have this figure and we have some more information, that is, angle M is equal to 100 degrees, angle L is equal to 80 degrees, angle K is equal to 45 degrees. Now, if angle M is 100 degrees, the other side of the line would be 80 degrees because degree of a line is 180 degrees. If one is 100, the other has to be 80 degrees. Now, we can say that these two triangles, the triangle JMN and triangle JLK, are two similar triangles. So, by applying the property of similar triangles, we can say that Jm upon Jl is equal to Mn upon Lk. Now, substituting the values, we'll get this. And by solving this, we'll get the value of Lk as 12.60. Hence, Lk is 12.60. So option 1 is the answer. Moving to the next question. SR is parallel UV and PS perpendicular SR. PS is equal to 6, ST is equal to 3, SR is equal to 8, VR is equal to 2, PW is equal to what? The figure is also given to us. Now let's move to the solution. So let's first substitute the values. Now it's a right angle triangle. So triangle PSR is a right angle triangle. Also the height is 6, SR is 8. So by applying Pythagoras theorem or Pythagoras triplet, we can say that PR is going to be 10. Now if PR is 10, we also know that VR is equal to 2. So if VR is equal to 2, then PV has to be 8. That is 10 minus 2. Now, we also have one more right angle triangle, that is PST. In this, we have PS as 6, ST as 3. So we can easily find out PT by again applying Pythagoras theorem. So by applying Pythagoras theorem, we'll get PT as 3 root 5. Now we know one more thing, that SR is parallel to UV. Hence, by applying the property, we can say that it is PW upon WT is equal to PV upon VR. Let's substitute the values now. So, I can say that PW is equal to 4 by 5 into PT because we have the values. So, we can easily substitute it. So, the value of PT is 3 root 5. This means PW is equal to 4 by 5 into 3 root 5. That is going to give us 12 root 5 upon 5 as the final answer. Moving to the next question. In the below figure, AD is the angle bisector of BAC and BD is to DC is equal to 2 is to 3. F is a point on AC. AD and BF intersect at E and AE is to ED is equal to 5 is to 4. If AF is equal to 10 centimeters, find AB in centimeters. Now, we have the values. So let's substitute the values that we have. Also, AD is an angle bisector. Angle bisector divides an angle into two equal parts. Let's draw a line DG. So, if I draw a line DG, there would be these two triangles forming. So, first triangle would be AEF. Second triangle would be DADG. Now, we can also say that these two triangles are similar triangles by applying angle-angle test. If these two triangles are similar triangles, by applying the property, we can say that AE upon ED is equal to AF upon FG. So, by substituting the values, we'll get the value of FG as 8. Now, we again have two triangles, that is triangle CGD and triangle CFB. These two triangles are also similar. by applying the property of similar triangles, we'll get CD upon DB is equal to CG upon GF. Now, let's substitute the values. After substituting the values, we'll get the value of CG as 12. Now, we have one big triangle, that is ABC. In ABC, we can apply the property, that is AB upon AC is equal to BD upon CD. Now substituting the values, we'll get AB upon 30 is equal to 2 upon 3, and solving this will give us the value of AB as 20. So option 3 is the answer to the third question. Moving to the next question. In the figure below, ABC is a triangle. Lines parallel to each of its sides are drawn in it. The triangles thereby formed are denoted by X, Y, and Z. The areas of X, Y, and Z are in the ratio 16 is to 25 is to 49. The area of triangle ABC is 512 square centimeters. Fourth question says find the area of X. Fifth question says find the sum of the areas of the parallelogram in the above figure. Now, let's solve the fourth question first. Now, we have one thing that angle E and B are similar angles, are equal angles according to corresponding angles. Angle D and A are also equal by applying corresponding angles. Hence, we can say that triangle JDE and triangle CAB are two similar triangles by applying angle-angle test. Now, similarly, we can prove that A and I are corresponding angles and H and C are also corresponding angles. Hence, triangle HIJ and triangle CAB are similar triangles. Also, in the same way, triangle GJF and triangle CAB are similar. Hence, we can say that all the four triangles are similar triangles. So, let's apply the property and let's take the ratio. If they are similar, the ratio is going to be same. So, AX is to Y is to Z is 16 is to 25 is to 49. Now, side of X is 4, side of Y is 5, side of Z is 7. Basically, they are in the ratio of 4 is to 5 is to 7. So triangle CAB is also going to be 16 in that case, just by substituting the values. Now, if triangle CAB is 16, in the actual ratio, what is going to be the value of CAB? It is going to be 256, because if you observe, the areas are squares of the sides. Hence, the ratio of sides is equal to square of ratio of areas. This is the property that we'll use. So 16 square is 256 and the area of triangle CAB is going to be 256. But they have said that the actual value is 512. So if the actual value of 256 is 512, then the actual value of 16 would be what? So if 256 is equal to 512, 16 is equal to question mark. By cross multiplying, we'll get the answer as 32, and 32 is the final answer to the fourth question. Let's move to the next question now. For fifth one, we'll again, the concept will be same. Now we'll find out the values of y and z also by applying the same method. If 256 is equal to 512, 25 is equal to what? And 49 is equal to what? So we'll get 50 and 98 respectively. And now we'll simply subtract the other three triangles, the other three areas from the area of bigger triangle. So 512 minus 32 minus 50 minus 98, that's 332, and answer to the fifth question is 332. Moving to the next question. From a point on the ground, a girl has to look up 30 degrees to the topmost point of the pole. If she walks a further 40 meters towards the pole, then the angle of elevation is 60 degree. Find the height of the pole in meters. Now this is a girl. She looks up, so angle of elevation is 30 degrees. She moves ahead a bit, that is, she moves ahead by 40 meters, and now the angle of elevation is 60 degrees. The pole is perpendicular to the ground, hence it will form 90 degree. So these are the two 90-degree triangles that will form. Now, if this angle is 60 degrees, the other angle has to be 30 degrees. And if this is 30, the other also has to be 30. Hence, we can say that it's a 30-60 degree triangle. Both these triangles are 30-60 degree triangles. So, these two sides are going to be equal. Now, if this is 40, if the base side is 40, the red line is 40, the blue part is also going to be 40, as these are two similar triangles. Now, not because these are two similar triangles, but because the other triangle is formed as an isosceles triangle. In isosceles triangle, two degrees, two angles, and two sides are equal. So both the angles are 30 degrees. Hence, both the sides are going to be equal. So it's 40 and 40. Now, side opposite to 90 is 40. By applying the ratio, we'll get side opposite to 60 as 20 root 2, 20 root 3, and side opposite to 30 as 20. Hence, the answer is option 2, that is 20 root 3. So the height of the pole is 20 root 3. Moving to the next question. From a point on the ground, a boy has to look up 30 degrees to the topmost point of the pole. If he walks a further 40 meters towards the pole, then the angle of elevation is 45 degrees. Find the height of the pole in meters. So this is a boy. Angle of elevation at the first is 30 degrees. He moves ahead for 40 meters. The angle of elevation now becomes 45. Again, the pole is perpendicular to the ground, hence it's 90 degree. So now we have two triangles. So first angle is going to be, the smaller triangle is going to be 45, 45, 90, and the bigger triangle is going to be 30, 60, 90. We know the ratios of 45 is to 45 is to 90 triangle, that is 1 is to 1 is to root 2. We also know the ratios of 30, 60, 90 triangle. So side opposite to 60 is going to be root 3. Hence, the entire base is going to be root 3. Now, I can say that root 3 minus 1, it will be the remaining part, and the remaining part we have the actual value of it, that is 40. So 1, I can say that 1 is equal to 40 upon root 3 minus 1. Now, after further rationalizing this, we'll get it as 20 into root 3 plus 1. Hence, we can say that option 2, 20 root 3 plus 1 is the final answer. So 40 upon root 3 minus 1 has to be rationalized. Moving to the next question. A car is being driven in a straight line and at a uniform speed. The top of the tower is observed from the car, and in this process, it takes 10 minutes for the angle of elevation to change from 45 degrees to 60 degrees. After how much more time will this car reach the base of the tower? This is the tower and this is the base. Obviously, it's perpendicular to the ground, hence it has to form 90 degree. The angle is 45, angle of elevation is 45, hence the other remaining angle has to be 45. After 10 minutes, the angle of elevation changes to 60. So these are the two triangles that are formed. Now we know that this is 1, that is side opposite to 30 is 1. Side opposite to 60 is root 3, and side opposite to 45, side opposite to 60 is also root 3. Now, the entire base is root 3. So we can say that root 3 minus 1 is going to give us the remaining part, that is equal to 10 minutes. So 1 is equal to what? So 1 is equal to 10 upon root 3 minus 1. Now, by further rationalizing it, we can say that it's 5 into root 3 plus 1 minutes. Now, this is not the final answer. There can be one more case to this. So, let's look at that case. The other case is this is the pole and car is at the right hand side. The entire 10 minutes. The base is this entire 10 minutes. Now, this is a triangle forming which is of 45, 45, 90, and the base is 10 minutes. Now, we can say that the car has crossed the pole, the car has crossed the pole, and it went to the right of the pole. And from there, the angle of elevation is 60 degrees. Hence, it's a 30, 60, 90 triangle. Now, side opposite to 60 is root 3, side opposite to 30 is 1, side opposite to 45 is also root 3. It has to be root 3 because side opposite to 45 is 1 is to 1 is to root 2. So if side opposite to 45 is root 3, the other side, which is also opposite to 45, has to be root 3. Now, in this case, we can say that the addition of the base is 10 minutes. Hence, root 3 plus 1 is equal to 10 minutes. Hence, I can say that 1 is equal to 10 upon root 3 plus 1. After further rationalizing, I'll get the answer as 5 root 3 minus 1 minutes. I'm getting two answers. Hence, I cannot actually determine the answer. So option 5 cannot be determined is going to be the final answer. Thank you.